Check 1 2, we're back. We're going to trade NAS live today. Today is Thursday, the 19th of October, I believe. Yes, it is the 19th of October. You can see it right there. So let's go. I'm going to start trading this live practically and recording each session, each New York session, Monday through Friday. Right now we're looking at Euro. I normally trade NAS, the NASDAQ 100. But right now we're looking at Euro. We're looking at GU and the dollar index. This is Euro, this is GU, this is the dollar index on a daily time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame, and this is a 5-minute time frame. I will ultimately go to a 15-minute time frame here, and I have multiple screens going on. So, and I have the screen that we'll actually trade on. This is, of course, my favorite, my baby, NAS 100. This is the Dow. This is S&P 500, and this is the dollar index. This is the 15-minute time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. So this is how I generally do my analysis. We're expecting news today. So we're expecting news here at 8:30. So that news is going to be coming out shortly. You see, it's 7:59 now, I believe. And then there's Powell speaking again. So we're going to have sort of another little bit of whipsaw up and down, I believe, as far as the market is concerned. So let's take a look at what we got going on. So yesterday, this is the daily time frame right here. So we're looking at a daily time frame right here. Yesterday, we see that the market essentially came down, went through an old new week opening gap, and is in the middle of a new week opening gap right now. So what I expect for today, what I actually expect for today is potentially a slight run up to the top of this new week opening gap right here, and then a run further down into likely the center of this daily candle right here. What I will usually do is take a look at this candle right here. Measure this candle right here. This will give us a precursor of what we can expect for today. This here is the secret. So nobody I showed you this. Oops. So I always know when my computer is giving a delay because you can look at the time down here. You can see we're on New York time, and you see where it says 34 seconds. That 34 seconds isn't moving. So that tells me that I'm on a significant delay. It went from 34 to 57, so that's 23. That's a 23-second delay. That's an issue when you're trading. Anyway, so that we can continue the analysis. We've had a run up into this new week opening gap right here on the 15-minute chart. This delay is bothering me right now. Anyway, we've had a run up on the 15-minute chart. We went up, took out these highs. Took out the afternoon session high, or the Asian session high. We come over here, we can see that we've been in consolidation for the last hour or so. For the last hour or so, we've been in consolidation. So I expect that when news comes out shortly, we may have a short run up and then a smash down and a run into these lows for until the session opens, New York session opens. So let's see what we get. In the meantime, I need to see whether or not we can get this delay. This delay. Okay, so I was just trying to check to see if we're live, and we are. Congratulations, Mr. Brown. You're starting to get this thing a little bit better. We're live. Let's see here. How do I share this? Because no one knows you're live. Okay, so we got 8 minutes until the news come out. Also, this is the screen that I actually trade on. This is the screen that I actually trade on. I haven't had a chance to get it all set up yet, though. Let's get this set up and go through and do a simple analysis of TDA, right? Top-down analysis. Look at all the time frames and figure out exactly what's supposed to happen today. So this is yesterday's candlestick. So I expect that we'll have a slight run up, maybe up to the top of this candlestick right here. This is actually from this candle's close to this candle's open. This is a gap. This is a new week opening gap right here. And we're currently at midway of that new week opening gap. Midway being the distance between the top, the close here and the open here. And we're at the consequent encroachment of that gap. It is likely that we will run up to probably this area right here with the news, and then start our progression down. I'm looking for is ultimately to take out these lows right here. Here you can see we're also in a gap. You can see this gap right here. You can see that gap a little bit better right here. That's that gap that we were looking at on a daily time frame. Now, with this, I expect to see us come up to here, around in here, and now I expect to see us start to decline. So, what are we looking for? We're looking for a small rally up, perhaps, which we've probably already made. We could go up one more time to take out the highs of the session. So let's go to, so as we can see here, there's really no reason for us to go up very much higher than this spot right here. No reason for us to go up very much higher than, let's see. So it's very likely that with the news coming out, we could go up, rally above here. This gives us, this will allow us to purge this liquidity right here, and then start to fall, come back down, and come back down into this fair value gap. Close out that fair value gap. This is a 1 hour fair value gap. There's a 1 hour fair value gap right there. Let's see what the news gives us. Again, I would expect to see us come up above here and then start to fall. We have news in 3 minutes. What's up, big time? Hey man, can you go check and see? Are you online right now, or are you doing something else? Can you go check it? I sent you a text to share the link for this YouTube. Can you go check? Yeah, it's a link. I just want to see, what the latency like. My computer doing that crazy stuff again. OBS. News is getting ready to come out in 20-some seconds. I'm not in anything now. I'm gonna start that new challenge. I was gonna start it today, but I'm gonna wait and see what happens when news comes out. I still got like a tiny bit of drawdown left on that other one, but I'm not fucking with that thing. Hey, man, I'm live on whatchamacallit, man. This is being recorded, so shut the fuck up. And look, I don't know. I think they can probably hear it. Ain't nobody on here but me and you. So today we can do all this crazy. Look, there it is. There's the news. There it is. All right, let's see if we get that run up. We got to run down. Let's see if we get that run up. Okay, go ahead on up there and take out those highs. Take that little bit of liquidity. Look, I'm tempted to take a little trade right here, but I ain't doing that, man. I learned a lesson yesterday. I learned a big lesson yesterday. I think I got it. I'm praying I got it. The lesson yesterday was, if you know something, dude, like I knew what type of day we were going to have yesterday. Talked about it, everything, and didn't follow my own advice. I'm done doing that, dude. I thought about that thing when we were talking the other day, and you were like, dude, we're doing it, or you actually said, I'm doing the same old thing I've been doing for a year or two. That's kind of holding us back. Yeah, and I'm done with that, man. I saw that yesterday, man. I'm like, I'm done with that. I am done with that. If you say you're going to do something, just fucking do it. You said you was going to hold out on the market, wait till you got a clear sign, just do it. You know what's going on, just fucking wait. Here we go. Look, there we go. This is what I just said was going to happen. You should go up, take out these highs. There's no real reason for us to go up very much higher. Take out these highs. Boom. Okay, here comes that expansion. Damn, man, I could have traded this. Well, the latency's not too bad. You hear yourself? Yeah, but it's there, and I know I know it because I'm looking at my clock, man. My clock is. Remember I showed you that time my clock would be doing that crazy stuff. It's 32, 34, 39. What's on? So what? Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna let this. Damn, I took my watch off. We should not go all the way back up, but we should take a run up. But we shouldn't go all the way back up. I'm expecting this thing to take out the overnight highs and potentially go up to the top of this new week opening gap. But it shouldn't go up that far. Yeah, no, dude, I don't think I'm gonna do too much trading today, man. I was going to, but looking at the market structure, I don't really want to trade in this. That's a trip, man. Hearing the delay live, you know what I'm saying? And then hearing yourself, like I hear my stutter. That's why I said I'm going to. That's why I said I'm going to start recording myself as well, so I can hear you can hear the shit, man. Yeah, I heard it yesterday. I listened to it some yesterday, and you know that was a good idea when you said that yesterday. You know, but I went back and listened to the whole 2 hour thing, pretty much the whole 2 hour thing yesterday, and I decided I'm gonna start recording it every day. My session, even if I don't take it, even if I don't make it, what do you call it, public, but I'm gonna start recording all my sessions. Yeah, I gotta get set up. I'm trying to figure out. So you have right here. This is your MT4 account, right? Yeah, that's what I'm showing now, my MT4 account. Because I switch back and forth. Hold on, I'm gonna switch. I switch back and forth between my MT4 account and my Trading View account. Because Trading View is what I use to mark it up with. So you switch. You gotta switch to your. So yeah, I'm switching it to my Trading View now. You should see it. So why are you using MT4 to train or? Because that's what I actually trade on. So I mark it up on NAS and I actually trade on MT4. So like if I'm gonna put in an entry, look at that rally. If I'm gonna actually put in an entry, I put that entry in on MT4. You know, and a lot of times when I'm doing it, I'm marking up my MT4 count. I need to mark up my MT4 so I know exactly where price is going on my MT4. So TradingView, I'm not trading on TradingView. I wish I could, but I'm not trading on TradingView. I'm actually trading on MT4. That's where I actually take the trade at. So I just switch, and I can switch between the two of them relatively easy. Damn, man, I saw this push coming too. I think it's gonna go. It's gonna go up and take. It might go up and take out those highs because it's resting. Oh, see, I've switched now, so you can't even see it, but I can see it on my whatchamacallit. Yeah, you got the. Yeah, I can see it on your 15 and your 5. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So here.
if you ain't gonna trade, I'm asking you this question.
Yeah, go ahead. You can ask.
Okay. All right. So when you set up your account, let's say the first thing do you go to that old OSB or OBS or whatever it's called?
Yeah, so when I'm trading or when I'm recording.
So to get to where you are right now, I'm not sure what you. I mean, pretty much when you're recording. So to get to YouTube, YouTube, what comes first, chicken and egg? YouTube or OBS?
So now that I have it connected to my YouTube, and I can go directly to OBS because it's connected to my YouTube. So I can go directly to OBS, click create broadcast and start streaming or something like that, and it'll connect it directly to it'll automatically go connect to my
to my
channel.
So
yeah.
The first thing I need to do is go to OBS and add that streaming service, YouTube, whatever I'm streaming.
Right.
To OBS.
Right. You need to open up your OBS, connect it to YouTube, and kind of go through the same. Remember the process that we've been going through, where I trying get it all set up. And if you need me to help you with it, just give me a buzz, and we'll go through it together. Shit, we can go through it together today, really, if you want to.
Yeah.
I might just shut this thing down because I'm not pressed about trading this morning. So if you want to do that now or whatever, just
let's do it now.
All right, then look. Let me kill this real quick. Hold tight, because I'm gonna kill mine.